He sent me $157. If you look here, you can see that on their website it says that you can actually earn money by watching you.
Hello guys, so you can see right here that this company sent this guy well over $200 just by watching ads, 30 seconds ads. So what we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be opening an account also and also trying to test run this particular website. So I want you to stay with me to the end of this video, and if you're new to the channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and let's find out if this website is also going to pay us by just watching ads. I'm going to be showing you how to promote your referral link. I'm also going to be showing you how to get your first $5 after registration. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first thing first, want to go right into the website right here, and I'm going to be revealing the name of the website very soon. So what you want to do is that you want to use the link in the description below, as if you use that link to register, they are going to be giving you a $5 bonus for registration. So next thing up you want to do is that you want to hit on sign up, and it will take you to this page right here, and you want to put in your name, you want to put in your name, you want to put in your last name, you want to put in your date of birth. This is okay. You want to put in your gender, you want to put in your email, and you want to put in a password right here that you're going to be using to log in. And after doing all that, you want to just hit on I'm not a robot, and then click on create account. And after doing that, that's just it. So since I already have an account, I'm going to be logging into my account right now. So I'm just going to hit on login and go right into my account. So you can see right here inside my account that I've watched the ads for today, and I'm left with about 9 hours for the next ad to come up, and I've made well over $30 right here, 54 views. And if I go right and click on referrals, you can see I've made about 5 referrals. So they give you $1 for every referrals you bring into the website. So you can see that this website actually makes their money by doing ads. So you will notice that if you want to click on some part of the screen or touch any button, and ads immediately just redirect you, that's an ad. So they make their money from those clicks in which we are giving to them also. So what we are going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be showing you exactly how you promote your referral link right here. So first thing first, you want to do this method. Actually, I haven't done it. Is that you want to copy this link. You want to copy this link right here. After copying it, if you have enough friends on WhatsApp who trust you, what you want to do is that you just want to go to each and every one of them and then send them this link on their DM, and just ask them to, I'm going to be doing that immediately after this, just ask them to just register with this platform. They don't have to do anything, they don't have to watch any videos, they don't have to do anything like that. But if they can watch any video, at least 1 or 2, they should. But they don't have to do anything. All they just have to do is just register using your link, and you should make your $1. Now that is one way of promoting this particular link. The other way of promoting this link is that you want to copy this and you want to go into Facebook right here, and after going into Facebook, you want to hit right here and then go to groups. So what you want to do is that you want to join as many groups that talks about making money. And you can see right here, I have some groups here, how to make money online. There are some other groups down here that I do have, make money online in Nigeria, online extra income. So what you want to do in these groups is that you want to open one of them, and after opening one of them, you want to go right here and then create a post, something like we should use this, something like let's say do let's say do you want to make up to $4 daily leave a comment below if you are interested. So you could just leave that right there, and after creating something like this, what people are going to do is that now Facebook restricts links, posting of links. So what they're going to do is that they're going to comment below interested, and what you're going to do, you're going to slide into their DMs and then send them a message telling them, giving them the link and telling them how to register and how they will make their first $5. So you just click on posts on this. This is one post you could do just like this. The next post you could do that actually draws attention a lot is that you're going to go right here and click on photo. You actually have a screenshot of this. Click on next, and then this actually draws attention. You screenshot a particular page like this where it shows the payment. So you can write something like I made over $200 with this site in just 2 months by watching ads. So type in if you're interested, leave a comment below. So if someone sees this image and see well over $257 and see that this thing is actually coming from people, it gives the person more hope, okay, that this stuff is actually legit, and they are going to drop a message below. And all you just have to do is slide into their DM, send them your referral link, and bring them into the website. So that's what you're just going to be doing to get your referrals. At least little by little. It doesn't happen quite fast. It takes time. Most times your post might not even be approved by this particular group, but you want to post in as many groups as possible. That's one way, or that's the second way of getting money quite fast with this platform. So next is that you want to make money by just watching ads. You could see right here in my screen right now, let it load, that I have about 8 hours 58 minutes and 17 seconds. Now what happens is that when this time elapses, a video is going to pop up right at this screen where this notification is, and there's going to be a loader. So when you play that video, that loader begins to move for the next 34 seconds, and after 34 seconds it changes to complete ads or complete watching. So after hitting on complete, you tap on it, hitting on complete, what is going to happen is that you're going to be making exactly this amount right here. You see right here, 0.40 cents, 0.28 cents, 56 cents, 36 cents. So it varies because the video most time changes. So that's exactly how you are going to be making money, and that's exactly how I've made over $36 just by doing this. You can see $31 by watch balance and $36 by account balance, adding the $5 extra. So that is exactly how to do this. So what we are going to be doing is at the end of all this, I'm going to be creating another video where I'm going to be withdrawing, and you could see right here they have so many withdrawal methods. They have Western Union, they have PayPal, they have Payoneer. So if you don't have any of this website, I'm going to be putting a link in the description where you're going to get how to open one of these, apart from the PayPal, which my previous PayPal has been actually blocked. It has been blocked, so I'm finding other means to open a new one. So we are going to be using PayPal, and we are going to be going for this. Immediately this money gets to $80, I'm going to be doing a video again, and we are going to be trying it out. So right now, if I click on withdraw right here, it says failed payout. It's a payment option not available because the amount required for this payout is $80, which has not been reached. So when we reach that amount, we are going to try it out and see if whether this website actually pays, or whether this is just another scam website. So without any further ado, guys, we have come to the end of this video, and if you love it, I want you to leave a like and maybe leave your comments below, and also make sure, if you are new to the channel, subscribe so that you get more of this, and watch out for the next video.